business. And part of those tools, a planner and a journal. Now, why do you need a planner? Let me just tell you, if I need to tell you why you need a planner, you need to turn this video off now and you need to go get a JOB. Because you are never going to be successful without a planner. Never, never, never. Until you can afford to pay somebody else to wake you up and tell you what time your appointments are for that day, you need a planner. Because my goal is that you have so many appointments and you have so much business that you can't remember what you have to do tomorrow because you're so busy setting appointments for 2 weeks from today. So now when you have a planner, I want you to be very specific in your planner when you're writing down your appointments. You want to write the who, what, when, where. You're writing down the name, you're writing down their contact number, you're writing down the place, and possibly if you have a number of businesses, which business that you're going to be talking about while you're at that appointment. Planners are just really important. I also encourage you to you can have one that's on paper. That's mine. This is easiest for me to flip through and see what's going on for the next month. But different people have different systems. You just simply need a record-keeping system for your appointments. It could be a PDA, one of those personal data, whatever things. And if that works for you, great. Be sure you're backing it up. If you're using an online system, excellent. Whatever you're using, use it. And don't tell me that nothing works for you. Because if I told you that I would give you $1 million for writing your appointments down for each week, each time you have one, and then in a year I'll give you $1 million, you could make this work for you. So find a system, make it work for you, keep those appointments in writing, and before you head out in the car to an appointment, I want to make sure that you have the phone number for that contact handy. And if you don't know why you need that phone number handy, you're going to find out in the next module.